Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making delicious catfish and yam pepper soup, guys. This catfish and yam pepper soup was so delicious. So let's get right into the video. So into my clean pot, I added my nicely washed catfish. You can see how clean this catfish is looking. So I transfer it into my cooking pot, then I went in with some water. And guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. So after adding water, I will go in with the peeled yam. So the next thing, I added some seasoning and some salt. So after adding the seasoning and salt, I will go in with the pepper mix. In here, I have red bell pepper, fresh pepper, onions, and garlic. Then I went in with some pepper soup spices. So after adding the pepper soup spices, next thing is to add in my crayfish powder. So I'm just going to stir a little, then add some little water. I like to add water in my pepper soup. I like water. I love the pepper soup water, so I like using enough water to cook my pepper soup. So after adding the water, I'm just going to cover this to cook for 15 minutes, okay? So this was about 15 minutes. I'm just going to check if pepper soup is ready. Then at this point, I'll just stir gently. The pot is not that big, so I just want to manage this pot. So I'm just going to flip the fish all over so that all the spices will enter inside. So this was me checking my pepper soup, stirring it gently, okay? So at this point, I tested the pepper soup. The spicy was not that much, so I went in with some pepper soup spices. Then I added a little bit of salt, okay? So after adding it, I'm just going to stir a little gently. Then I will cover this to cook for extra 10 to 12 minutes. And our yam pepper soup is ready. So I'm just going to garnish this with scent leaf. Yes, I love adding scent leaf in my pepper soup, but if you don't have scent leaf, you can just use any leaf that you like, but I like using scent leaf. So this is it. Look at that, guys. And this was so delicious. So if you have watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Then like this video and don't forget to drop me a comment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thanks for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And guys, what will you be eating this with? Is it chilled malt or freshly homemade juice? So I enjoyed mine with chilled malt and it was so yummy. So thank you all for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.